Hello, kids! Welcome to the Magic Toy Factory. In this factory, amazing machines make surprise toys. Are you ready to see what toys the machine will make today? Let's start the magic! Let's press the magic button. The machine is working. What toy will come out? Look carefully.
Wow, it's a teddy bear! So soft and cuddly.
The machine is making another toy. Can you guess what it will be? Look at the wheels. It's a toy car. Vroom, vroom. The magic machine is busy again. What toy is it building now? Look at the metal arms. It's a robot. Beep, beep. Here comes another surprise toy. Can you guess what it will be?
It's a Dinosaur toy!
The machine is making something with wheels and a chimney. Can you guess the toy?
It's a train! Choo-choo!
This toy is round and loves to bounce. What could it be?
It's a ball! Bounce, bounce!
Mini game time! Which toy says vroom vroom? Is it the teddy bear, the toy car, or the robot? It's the toy car! Great job!
The magic toy machine is working again. Look at the big arm and bucket. This toy digs sand and rocks. Can you guess the toy? 3. Wow, it's an excavator. Dig, dig, dig. Here comes another surprise toy.
This toy makes beautiful music. You can tap the colorful bars to play sounds. Can you guess the toy?
3. It's a xylophone.
The magic machine is making a toy that flies in the sky. Look at the big wings. Can you guess the toy? It's an aeroplane. Nice.
The magic machine is making something very magical. Look at the horn and rainbow colors. Can you guess the toy? 3, 2. Wow, it's a unicorn. So magical.
Great job, kids! Today, the Magic Toy Factory made many fun toys. Which toy is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye!
Bye-bye, everyone.
Thanks for watching!
Don't forget to subscribe.
See you next time!